Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to see how you can manage your DNS records on Cloudflare. In our previous video we covered how to manage your DNS records on cPanel. So Cloudflare is also another option that helps you manage your DNS records. So with me here, you can create an account by just typing in this domain name. If you don't have an account yet, then you can sign up, then follow the prompts. So I already have an account and I have already logged in into my Cloudflare platform. So what we need to do is to the first thing is to add the domain name. So in this dashboard at the websites, you can see there is this option called websites. It's already selected, and here is a list of my websites. So what we need to do is to add our domain. We already have our domain here. So let us add our domain name. There is this option of add a site. Click on that. Then input your domain name there, then click on continue. So here you can there are several options whereby you can choose the pro package. We have the features there. We also have the business package, and you can see the features there. We also have the enterprise and all that. So we are going to work with the free option for now. So in case the premium features works for you, you can always purchase the premium package. So for now, let's work with the free package. It's offering us some features, some nice features, which are listed here. So once you click on free, click continue. Then scroll view and see the instruction given. So for now we are using these as our name servers. So for this domain name to be connected to Cloudflare, you need to replace whatever name servers that you have here with these new name servers. And if you had already added the new name servers, this may take time to reflect. So let's give it some time to scan the DNS. So if the domain name is already added to a panel, it will automatically load the DNS records. You can see it already did that. So in case the records added in here are not the, for instance, we need to update the A record, and this A record is the A record for our domain name. So we can just check. We see that we have the A record here. It's for this domain, and this is the A record. So basically what we can do, let us just continue, and then we will come back later and edit the records that we wish to edit. So click on continue. Then scroll, then we are done. We are done. Check the name servers. All right, then just click on finish data. But for your case, please click on get started and follow the prompts so that you can also set up the free SSL that comes with Cloudflare. It's also worth noting before we move on that Cloudflare offers a lifetime free SSL. So it's a very nice option, and the SSL is automatically installed once the domain name is connected to Cloudflare. So click on finish data, or just click on get started and follow the prompts. So in my case, I'll click on finish data because I don't intend to manage the DNS of this domain name on Cloudflare. So once done, you need to you need to update the name servers that we had mentioned. Then as propagation happens, click on this option, DNS. So in this section, we are going to update the necessary DNS records. So what we have, or what we need to check, we have a list of the DNS records that we have to put on check. So one of them is the A record. So here is the A record. We have the A record and our domain name. Then this is the current IP. So in case you need to change that, click on this edit button. Then you can add the correct IP address to this field. Once done, click on save. There is this save button. So in case after adding the domain name there were no such records that were fetched, what you need to do, you need to navigate to this option of the DNS, then records, then click on add. So what you need to do in this first field, we want to set up these DNS records. What we need to do for the main domain, we need to put @ use @ for root domain, that is for the main domain. Then in this field we add the IP. We add this IP, or rather the IP to your VPS. Once done, click on save. Then for this other option, we want the CNAME. For the CNAME, just search for CNAME here. We have it there. Now that the CNAME record, the domain that we want to use for this option is the www, we just have to key in www, not .domain, just www, then add the record here. So the CNAME takes the domain name as the target, then click on save. Then the same applies for the MX. So for the MX record, we have let's check here. So for the MX record, we have the main domain, then the mail server. We still have the main domain. Then for the priority, let's have it at 0. Then click on save. So basically, in the scope of this video is just to see how to ensure our domain name is pointed to our VPS by ensuring that the 3 records are updated. So that's how to add a domain on Cloudflare and also update the DNS records. That marks the end of this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.